Hello, I'm in a 2015 Nissan Pathfinder, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust between Fahrenheit and Celsius for your display measurements. So first you're going to make sure the vehicle is actually on, which currently this one is. And then we'll be watching here for all of the options we click between, using these to control. So we'll start with this top button to toggle between the menu options. So we'll just keep pushing that until we get to this screen here. And then we'll go up and down with this and push enter when we find the option we want. So we'll just keep clicking down. We'll keep following down so we get to unit. And then once we're at unit, we push enter. So push enter and then down again and then enter again. And now it's Celsius. And then I'm in the United States, so I'd prefer Fahrenheit, so I'll switch it back. But it just auto updates and saves each time you change it. I hope that was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.